we also need to talk about functions and graphs. Remember, all graphs are relations. But sometimes we want to know if that relation is also a function. Now remember that a function is a function only if each input corresponds to one output. And remember that x is our input on a graph and y is our output. So here we have some examples of some graphs. And we're going to use what we call the vertical line test. Because a vertical line test will show us what values, what places an x corresponds to. So if you look at this one, as I draw this vertical line, we get a point right here. And that x, whatever it happens to be, it looks like it's about minus 2.4, has a matching y of about minus 0.25. Let me rewrite that. This looks like it's about minus 2.4, and it's about 0 minus 0.25 down. But that's the only x value. I don't see anywhere else on here it's connected. Just like here, that's the only spot this one has at about 2.5. Oh, got to turn that into a 0.2. And so this straight line, our linear equation, is a function. Because my vertical line test, no matter where I draw it, it only hits once. However, this looks like that y squared graph that we did before, x equals y squared. Notice that for this value, I have two different places that it connects. And so the x value of 4 has two different y's. And as long as that happens even once, it's not a function. I should specify this one right here is a function. And so we've got this funny W going on, and we assume that there's nothing funny going outside of the graph. We'll give you the interesting places to look. So this is just going to keep going out farther and farther, and this one's going to keep going up and slightly out as time goes on. So it's going to go wherever it needs to. But no matter where I draw these lines, it only ever connects in one spot. And so therefore, this, due to the vertical line test, is a function. So with this vertical line test, we just look to see, is there anywhere that it connects more than once, even if it's only in one spot. So let's just hand draw another one. Suppose that I have the following function, or relation. If I draw a line, notice that one hits in two places. So just even though it's even just in this little tiny window right here, because it happens anywhere, this is not a function.